Cheers.
Cheers.
In love with the shape of you.
This week, I'm taking over the channel. We're gonna be making ornaments.
Cause you wanna.
Because I thought it'd be a nice addition, something to have right before Christmas starts, or Christmas Day. Something a little fun to do, and something for our tree, because we don't have enough ornaments. Could always use a few more.
We have 2 trees. We need more ornaments.
So we're gonna be making our own from things I got from the store. So should we start then?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's start.
Let's start.
I want ribbon.
Starting off with the ribbons.
Yes.
I want to start off with the sequin. You know, I used to do these sequins with the styrofoam ball when I was younger and with my family, and I had much smaller hands. And let me tell you, it is so hard to get these sequences on these nails to get it going.
This is you. This was your idea.
I know, but
You're the one who got all of the crafts and thought of everything for this.
it's true, and it's gonna be glorious.
Is it?
Oh yes.
I hate foam. I hate foam. Let me just say that one more time for the kids in the back. I hate foam.
It's fun.
Did you know? Did you know? I hate foam. Well, now you do.
Hey Arissa, what do you hate?
Foam. I cannot stand foam.
Audience at home, can you answer this question? What does she hate more? A. Foam. B. Foam. C. Foam. You have 5 seconds to answer.
Spoiler alert. It's foam. Open.
Open? Okay, let me stab this styrofoam real quick and then let me help you. Do you mind if I use my teeth?
Yes, I would mind.
I don't know if I can get this out. Here, let me use a nail and use some leverage. Hey, I got glitter everywhere. Here you go.
That's why I didn't want to do it.
Oh, goodness.
So do it.
Now you do it.
Yes, it can't be an easy win. I don't know what I'm doing.
All I know is I'm going to be stabbing this ball many, many times with nails. And my hands are full of glitter. Whoa, you okay?
Yeah, just got glue everywhere. Oh, the sound of the foam. It's making my skin crawl. Oh, that's kind of cute, right? Yeah? No?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah, it's looking good.
I think the glue deformed the ball a little bit. It's fine. It's fine. So how many of these do we need to make?
We only need to make one.
One?
One. One is fine.
Hey, there we go.
Ooh. Oh, I like.
That's the idea?
Yeah.
Because I'm smart?
You're definitely going off a different idea than what I'm doing with my, This
Why is it? Why? You can't even put it on a branch.
You can! This is how we used to put it on the branch.
Oh my god.
Isn't it pretty, guys?
I'm glad there's one popsicle stick left from the snowman the snowman that we did. Your corn snarch man didn't hold up.
No, he did not.
It's a sad, sad snowman.
Yeah, he was ugly when we got done with him.
Well, after a day of just sitting in the air. But the pillow fuzz dude and the cactus did splendidly. I've never made an ornament. Well, I did when I was like a baby, like the baby hand print
Oh, yeah.
ornament thing, but I haven't made ornaments that I can think of. I probably did at the rec center or something. Or at the Boys and Girls Club when I was a kid, but I don't remember if we actually made these. I hate foam.
Well, I will remember that the next time.
Just touching it.
Making y'all feel woozy.
Making me have a bad day. You know what? I'm just gonna go grab some spray paint and make this disintegrate. I don't know how to ribbon.
You like this? This is so bad. But it's so great. All the little sequences.
And fun.
Yeah, I am. Now onwards to round 2.
Round 2.
Yeah.
Fight.
I gotta do better than what I did.
I am just trying to cover all the stupid foam. I don't think you understand. This is a good punishment.
Yeah, apparently. It's nice.
It's nice. I will never make this a punishment again. Ever.
Oh, I just got a good idea.
What?
but I have to do it on my third ball. I'm thinking of making a Pokeball. I don't know if I can do it though. It's gonna be a little difficult.
You got this.
I got this?
You got this.
Yeah, I got this.
You got this. I also hate sequins, by the way.
You hate sequins as well?
I cannot stand it.
Wow, this was a perfect punishment game.
Game? Is this
Per-
a game to you?
Perfect punishment craft.
Oh my god! My hands are so sticky that the sequins are just sticking to my hand.
Okay, I went for a basic one this time. Alright, time for the Pokeball.
I think I'm just gonna make 2 because that's as much as I can handle right now. Like if I touch any more, I think I might just crawl up in a ball and cry. I'm really liking the pink.
It's coming out well. This is not working out. Oh, God, I think I figured out something.
What?
Instead of making a big circle, I could just do half loops all the way around. I think that's what I'm actually gonna do. Yes, yes, yes. I think I got it figured out for the Pokeball.
I honestly have no idea what I'm doing right now. Oopsies.
Everything okay?
Does it look okay? Does it look okay? It's fine. We'll just muddle it. What's wrong? You're loving it?
I'm hating it, but it's great.
It's beautiful.
I made a Pokeball.
Yes, you did.
How to top this off? Do I still use the red ribbon? Ooh. Alright, and then time to top this little guy off. And we have a Pokeball!
What about the... Oh, what about the blue?
Blue?
Or the band. The black band.
Black band. There's a black band that goes around it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Look, I'll show you.
Okay, I'll start getting the black band ready.
See? There's a little black.
Oh, I messed up.
Yes, you did. It's okay. I'll forgive you. You didn't play Pokemon growing up.
It's true.
I'm just gonna do this real fast because it's cute.
There we go. Now we made a Pokeball.
Are you proud of your creations?
I think so. So the first one, I just wanted to try to get sequences and found that it was going to take forever. So I tried making this little spot on the top with sequences. I also wanted to add in a bow. So I gave it a bow and some jingle bells.
Oh god.
Just for...
The cat.
Yes,
for the cat.
just for the cat. The rest of it is plain as day. Oh yeah, I forgot. I added sprinkles right at the top.
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles. It's edible.
Cornstarch. What was that? Can't even mock it.
My second one is quite simple because at this point in time I thought of making a Pokeball and was trying to get through this as fast as possible. But simple is usually better. And then lastly, my proud creation, a Pokeball.
I like the Pokeball.
Pokeball's really nice.
That's cute. That's the cutest one. This one's pretty fun too. It's like a little disco ball. This one is just a
It's
mess.
such a mess.
This one no.
I was trying so much with it and then it just did not want to come together.
This is the most basic but prettiest one, I think. Ugh, I hate the feeling of foam. Well, that was fun.
How did you enjoy all the foam sequence?
I hated it. I hated every single second of it. This was definitely a punishment. This is definitely a punishment for me all the way through every single aspect of this.
I'm glad I chose wisely.
Uh-huh. Well, I hope you enjoyed my demise and have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye.